Hello! Today we'll enjoy a poem named Fireworks written by James Reeves. It's Ceralia's Art and Craft. It's a channel where you can learn so many things with fun. So let's begin the learning. Let's enjoy the poem Fireworks. Fireworks you must have seen in festive time. They rise like sudden fiery flowers. They burst upon the light. They fall on earth in burning showers of crimson, blue, and white. Let me start again. They rise like sudden fiery flowers. They burst upon the light. They fall on earth in burning showers of crimson, blue, and white. Like birds too wonderful to name, each miracle unfolds, and Catherine wheels begin to flame like whirling marigolds. Let me start again. Like birds too wonderful to name, each miracle unfolds, and Catherine wheels begin to flame like whirling marigolds. Rockets and Roman candles make an orchard in the sky, where magic trees their petals shake upon each gazing eye. Let me help you again. Rockets and Roman candles make an orchard in the sky, where magic trees their petals shake upon each gazing eye. Activity and poem appreciation for this uploaded in the next video. Keep learning while having lots of fun. Thank you.